So I know I already talked about this, but I just want to talk to you about installing the primary chain inspection cover. Always make sure everything is clean. Like all that has to be clean. That has to be clean. Because if you don't clean it, it might still seep out and you're gonna think it's leaking when it's really not. And that's the same case with this cover. Whenever you take it off and you flip it upside down, you're gonna get all the brake fluid oil here and it's gonna be leaking, but it's not really leaking. So make sure get everything clean. So now I got it nice and cleaned up. And don't lose those gaskets. If you lose one of those gaskets, go to your dealer and buy a new one. You really need those. You don't want to over tighten this. Alright, so it's kind of hard to do so, but I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about when I'm saying how do you install your primary cover. So I'll probably, okay, grab your screw, stick it in, hold it so it's flush. Hold it so it's flush. It should. Okay, so it's kind of hard to do holding the camera. So, all right, here it's flush. Okay, it turns, turn a little. All right, your screw is in. Hand tighten it all the way. I hope you got that. Like, here it goes again. So you hold it, push those back, hold it, start turning. If it gives you any resistance, pull it out, start all over. There you go. You see that? They screw right on in. And you want to do that to both of them so they're nice and flush. Then you barely give it any torque. I'm not going to use a torque wrench for this. I'm going to do hand torque. This is it. This is how you properly put in a primary inspection cover. They're supposed to go in nicely, neatly like that. You see? Make sure your bike is up too. That's why I have it on the jack. Whenever you're tightening these, make sure your tools are going straight in. So, I'm gonna put that down for a bit. So I could pretty much pull this out still, give it hand play. And you see? Now they're both nice and snug. Now we'll give it some torque. Baby torque. See, that's nice and tight. Nice and tight. All you want to do is one little torque push. I give it two. That's it. Nice and sealed. So here we go. 1, 2. That's it. Torque. That's how you. Now for these inspection covers, I highly recommend you buy the gaskets straight from the dealer. I bought this one from Amazon. About 2,000 miles later, I took it off to inspect the chain because I had some work on it. And look at that, it was leaking because of that. I mean, it looked like really good material at first, but look at it, it ripped. That's how it came off of the cover. So there's like a big old hole right there, you can see.